Ẹ kú dédé àsìkò yìí ní gbogbo ibi tẹ́ bá ti láǹfààní láti máa gbọ́ mi. Tó bá fẹ́ dàbí everybody ò gbọ́dọ̀ máa ronú bí everybody. Ẹ wo fọ́nrán yìí.
Ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí ètò.
Let me tell you the most powerful word I've ever learned. No. For so long, I was the yes person.
It's okay. Nǹkan tí mo fẹ́. Yes sir. Nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ ni pé kí gbogbo ọmọ Nàìjíríà kó bá mi.
Ọ̀tẹ̀ ló ń jẹ́ ló ń pè ọ́, kò sẹ́ni tí ò lórúkọ tiẹ̀, àti wípé ọmọ kì í gọ̀ títí sẹ́ẹ̀ kó gbàgbé orúkọ ara rẹ̀. Ààfin tèmi ò nílò ìdánimọ̀ lọ́jà, tó bá dọ́jà báyìí wọ́n á mọ̀ bó dọ́jà ni. Èmi tí ń tòótọ́ Samuel Owóyẹmí, fẹ́lẹ́fẹ́lẹ́ láyé lórúkọ mi, fẹ́lẹ́ ní gbogbo èèyàn mọ̀ mí sí. Èmi náà kọ́, Ọlọ́run ọba òkè ló fún mi ṣe ní gbogbo ìgbà.
Mo lérò pé rí dáadáa. Tó bá nídìí obìnrin kì í jẹ́ kúnbólú. Alágbẹ̀dẹ mi tó ń lórí lójú kan lóhun tó fẹ́ fàyọ. Bó ṣe ń lọ lèmi a máa mú asẹ́tì gbọ̀nyìn. We inform, we educate, we entertain. Mo rí ọ̀rọ̀ kan tí gbajúgbajà òṣèré bìnrin tíátà fún ọdún méjì ló fi bo àṣírí kan mọ́lẹ̀ kó tó di wípé wàá sọ lásìkò tó yẹ àti lásìkò tó tọ́. Mi ò mú ọ̀rọ̀ yìí wá lásán bí kò ṣe wípé mo fẹ́ jẹ́ kí ẹ rí ẹ̀kọ́ kan tàbí ìkejì dì mú pé gbogbo aṣọ kọ́ là ń sá lọ́rùn. Tíṣu ẹni bá ta à ń fi ọwọ́ bò jẹ ni. Arábìnrin yìí gbajúgbajà òṣèré yìí Àdùnní Adé ó ṣe eléyìí ó wú mi lórí púpọ̀ wípé ìbá dára káwọn akẹgbẹ́ rẹ̀ kan kí àwọn náà dẹ̀ lè rí ẹ̀kọ́ kọ̀ọ̀kan kọ́ tàbí mú nínú ọ̀rọ̀ yìí. Lateef Adédìméjì náà ṣe tiẹ̀ nígbà tí ìyàwó rẹ̀ kọ́kọ́ bímọ. Wọ́n gbèsè ayé lẹ́sẹ̀kẹsẹ̀ ṣùgbọ́n lẹ́yìn bí ọjọ́ bíi mélòó kan wọ́n ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wá gbé jáde láti jẹ́ kí gbogbo àwọn èèyàn mọ̀ pé síkírìtì kan àwọn tí ń tọ́jú ẹ̀ o kó tó di wípé wọ́n kéde rẹ̀ pé àwọn ti bí ìbẹ́ta láì mọ̀ wípé èèyàn kan náà wà tó yẹ pé òun ti tọ́jú tiẹ̀ fún ọdún méjì ọdún méjì kó tó di wípé ó kéde rẹ̀ lọ́jọ́ ìbí rẹ̀ gangan. Ó nídìí tóun náà ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ọ̀pọ̀ aláǹgbá ló dakùn délẹ̀ àmọ́ ìtinú rò. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n kà fún yín. Àdùnní Adé ibi tó ní ìtumọ̀ nínú ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn ni mo fẹ́ mú wá. She stated that not every single mother fit public okay ẹ kí n mú láti bí. Àdùnní Adé said she and her partner choose to keep the birth private to protect their peace and enjoy the blessing without public attention. Wow. We choose privacy not because we hold anyone's secrecy, but because peace is priceless. And not everything good needs an audience. We wanted to enjoy our blessings. Obìnrin ó dẹ̀ tọ́jú ẹ̀ fún ọdún méjì kó tó wá kéde rẹ̀. She stated that not every single mother fits public absorption and not every blessing involves scandal. Okay, not every single mother fits your assumptions. Not every story is scandal. Not every blessing comes not every blessing comes with drama attached. God gave me mine fully peaceful intentionally. Ẹ kí n dúró bẹ́ẹ̀. Mi ò fẹ́ jẹ́ kí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí gùn rárá. Tó bá fẹ́ dàbí everybody ó gbọ́dọ̀ máa ronú bí everybody. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí kàn ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ mú lò. Kì í ṣe gbogbo nǹkan la máa gbé sáyé. Ẹ jẹ́ kí àwọn kan kó lọ kẹ́ tó lè kéde rẹ̀. Most especially àwọn tó bá jẹ́ public figure. Most especially àwọn tó bá jẹ́ celebrities. Ọ̀pọ̀ àwọn celebrities mi máa rí láti day one tó ti lóyún báyìí lẹ́tì máa rí lórí social media. Ní pé wọ́n lóyún báyìí wọ́n á ṣe photoshoot wọ́n á ṣe oríṣi míì sọ pé kò dáa o. Ṣùgbọ́n a lè sọ wípé ayédáyé ọ̀làjú ká wá máa fi ojú èpò tẹ́lẹ̀. Ipò tí àwọn gbajúmọ̀ wà yìí ipò ẹlẹgẹ́ ni kéde ń ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀ lè máa gbé sáyé. Lórí ẹ̀ lèmi ṣe máa ń gbóṣùbà káre fún Lateef Adédìméjì nípa àwọn ọ̀nà kan tó máa ń gbà ṣe ètò ìdílé rẹ̀. Àdùnní Adé rèé 2 years lòun náà fi pa nǹkan wọ̀nyí mọ́ ó wá ń sọ ọ́ dímọ̀ pé kì í ṣe gbogbo nǹkan ló need audience ẹ dìímú kì í ṣe gbogbo nǹkan ló need ariwo ẹ jẹ́ ká ṣe kí ni ẹ jẹ́ ká mú lò dáadáa torí ẹnìkan torí ọ̀la ni mo fẹ́ jẹ́ kí àwọn akẹgbẹ́ rẹ̀ náà ẹ kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ nítorí eléyà wúlò fún yín ọ̀pọ̀ pọ̀ dáadáa ìgbéyàwó everything kò ní pẹ́ máa gbé jáde nǹkan ayọ̀ ní ṣùgbọ́n àwọn nǹkan míì ó gba protection ó gba kíyàn pọ́nlé mo sọ lẹ́ẹ̀kan pé tíṣu ẹni bàtà a máa ń fọwọ́ bò jẹ ni ohun tíyàn bá gbé pamọ́ ní níyì mo máa ń tẹnumọ́ pé popularity is not success àwọn kan míì wà abẹ́lẹ̀ ló yẹ kó ti ṣe let your success speak for you torí ẹ̀ mo ṣe máa ń gbóṣùbà káre fún àwọn gbajúgbajà òṣèré olórin míì tó yẹ pé ìgbà tí kíní ẹ bá di ńlá tán là tó máa ń mọ àwọn irúfẹ́ ìyà tí wọ́n jẹ lábẹ́lẹ̀ please ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ jẹ́ ká ṣàmúlò ohun tí Àdùnní Adé ṣe yìí mo kí yín lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí o congratulations fún ti ọjọ́ ìbí yín ìgbà ọdún ìṣẹ́jú kan ni ọmọ náà adìrú adìgbà fún yín láṣọ bàmí alárabi Àdùnní Adé ti sọ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ kan sẹ́yìn tó jẹ́ pé ó nítumọ̀ ó wà tọ́ṣìn gan tí mo dẹ̀ fẹ́ jẹ́ kẹ́yìn náà gbọ́ wípé yes àfi ọgbọ́n ọlọ́gbọ́n ṣùgbọ́n kì í jẹ́ kí a pé àgbà níwèrè tó bá dẹ̀ fẹ́ dàbí everybody gbọ́dọ̀ máa ronú bí everybody ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ ìjìnlẹ̀ tí Àdùnní Adé ti sọ lórí àwọn kan tí ó là kọjá àti àwọn kan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ó yá ẹ jẹ́ ká bá wọn débẹ̀.
ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí ètò what content creating will cause. Take two. Ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí ètò Àgídìgbo FM. Ìyá wa tó ń pè ní òyìnbó Nàìjíríà, òyìnbó Nollywood, Àdùnní Adé, ọmọ tí ò wẹ̀ tó ń dán. Òun ló wá sórí ètò wa tó ní òun wá fẹ́ fẹjọ́ sùn àwa ń bí. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin ọmọ Nàìjíríà, ṣé ẹ ń gbọ́ mi? Ẹ wá o. Ẹ wá gbọ́ èyí tí ìyá wa Àdùnní Adé, ọmọ tó wẹ̀ tó ń dán, tó ní fún wa láti sọ. Tọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀yin ọmọ Nàìjíríà, Àdùnní Adé ti gbẹ́jọ́ wá o. Ẹ bọ́dẹ o. Ó yá ìyá ẹ sọ̀rọ̀.
Ẹ káàárọ̀ gbogbo ẹ̀yin.
Ẹ sọ̀rọ̀ sókè, ẹ sọ̀rọ̀ sínú mic. Mo ti gbọ́ sà. Ẹ káàárọ̀ gbogbo ẹ̀yin ọmọ Nàìjíríà. Èmi ló ń pè ní Àdùnní Adé, ọmọ tó wẹ̀ tó ń dán. Níṣe ni ọjọ́ 22 February ìyẹn lánàá ni mo drop fíìmù mi tó ń pè ní Ọwọ́ tó dilẹ̀ lórí channel mi ni mo wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń polówó ẹ̀ ni mo sì ń bẹ gbogbo àwọn ọmọ Nàìjíríà pé kó bá mi wò ó, kó bá fi ìfẹ́, kó bá mi fi gbà á. Níṣe ló fi mí ń ṣakọ, àwọn míì wọ́n fẹ́ wò ó. Sàmì ò mọ́kọ́ tí mo lè sọ.
Ìyá má sunkún mọ́ ọ. Má ṣe o.
Ló sáré jẹ́ sunkún.
Ó ti tó ẹ má sọ̀rọ̀.
Kí má sọ̀rọ̀ jù. Ó dàgbà náà.
Àní ẹ sọ̀rọ̀ sókè.
Nǹkan tí mo fẹ́. Yes sir. Nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ ni pé kí gbogbo wọn Nàìjíríà kó bá mi.
Let me tell you the most powerful word I've ever learned. No. For so long, I was the yes person. I said yes to things that I didn't want, yes to people that drained me, and every yes that I gave was an actual no to myself. The very first time I said no, I felt guilty. But I quickly realized that those who love you will respect your boundaries, and others, they'll feel offended. So, if you're scared to say no, remember, you're not rejecting them. You're just choosing you. You're putting yourself as priority, and that is power. And here's the thing. Every time you say no, you're actually saying yes to something bigger. Your peace, your health, your goals. It creates space for the right people to find you, the right opportunity, and the right energy. Lastly, don't be afraid to say no. It might just be the key to your freedom. Let's talk about something we don't talk about enough. Protecting your peace, your energy, and your space. I've realized that so many of us are walking around drained, not because life is hard, but because we don't set boundaries. We overgive, we overexplain, we overextend. And at the end of the day, we're left empty. This series is for anyone who wants to stop pointing to the wrong cups and start protecting their own. I'll be sharing stories, lessons, and reminders about self-love. I'll be sharing stories, lessons, and reminders about self-love, boundaries, and the power of saying no. Think about it like your daily check-in to protect your peace. If this is right up your alley to protect your peace, to step into a softer you, a healthier version of you, then follow along because this series is for you. Let's grow together. First video is going to be coming up right after this. Red flags are like leaks in the ceiling. They start small, tiny drips. They're manageable. But if you ignore it, sooner or later, the roof is going to come caving in. The red flags are always there. The words are not matching. Constant excuses, lack of respect. We see them, but we convince ourselves that we're overreacting, that we're overthinking. Every red flag you excuse today becomes a heartbreak tomorrow. Don't paint red flags white just to feel comfortable. Because here's the truth. Love isn't meant to feel like confusion, like you're doubting yourself or you're walking on eggshells. It should bring peace, consistency, and safety. When someone shows you who they are the first time, believe them. Don't romanticize potential while ignoring reality right in front of you. Red flags don't go away. They only grow louder with time. What feels like a small drip today can drown you tomorrow if you keep pretending like it's not there. Protect your peace, know your boundaries, and believe in your instincts. Let me ask you, what red flag have you ignored?
Ìyàwó ẹ̀ bí mo ṣe lọ fún second business wa.
Tálọ́ ọ̀nẹ́ mo fọ aṣọ láàárọ̀ yìí ó dẹ̀ níbẹ̀ sí mo rí. Aṣọ yín mọ́.
Èmi tí wàá rò ó pé ká pa iṣẹ́ yìí tì sẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ ló wá ṣe mí fún wa.
Torí káró òwe àtìyàwó English mo fi pè pàdé yìí o. Torí pé kí ni wọ́n jẹ́ owó lé ní o.
Wọ́n ti ṣọ́lẹ̀kùn wa.
Ṣọgbà ẹ̀ opportunity ló délẹ̀ yìí o. Ṣé jẹ́ bí iṣẹ́ tá à ń sọ yìí olówó olú gidigidi.
Mo láìkẹ́ tó mú wa. Ẹ gbà mí. Ọ̀gá jẹ́jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀.
Jọ ìgbà wo ló ń bọ̀ nílé gan-an? Ibi tó pè mí délé yẹn ìyàwó mi ni mo wà lọ́bẹ̀.
Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ sí gangan ni kẹ́ ẹ sọ fún mi? Ṣé bí kú Jeffries yẹn ibẹ̀ ni mo fẹ́ ràn wọ́n lọ.
If they only call when they need something, protect your space. Have you noticed that some people only reach out when they need something? Not to check in, not to celebrate you, not to ask how you're holding up, just when they want or need something from you. That's not friendship. That's convenience. And if you're not careful, you're confused being useful to being valued. Because some people don't love you. They love what you do for them. They love your energy, your advice, your time, until you set boundaries. And then you become a problem. People who generally care about you don't just show up when they need something. They come around because they see you. Start paying attention to patterns. Who calls when they're in need and who calls just to say hi? Or the one that says, hey, I was thinking about you. One brings peace and the other brings pressure. Stop stretching yourself thin for people who only reach out when it's convenient. Your energy is not a free refill. Protect your space because not everyone who reaches out to you deserves a response. It's always love on this side. In interviews, I'm always asked one question, and for over 10 years, my answer remains the same. The question is, what advice would I give the younger generations? And my answer always stays the same. Never dim your light to fit someone else's standards. Never belittle yourself to fit someone else's lifestyle. When I was much younger, I used to do this, and I don't want it to sound negative like I did a whole lot of pleasing of people, but you have to understand the kind of surrounding that I grew up in. I used to downplay my wins. I used to brush up compliments, making myself feel smaller so that nobody else would feel less than. But here's the thing.
Dimming your light does not make people love you more. It just makes you invincible to yourself. The right people will clap for you even if your shine is blinding. And the wrong ones, they will hate you even if you whisper your success. So why do you keep shrinking? Why do you keep apologizing for what God has put in you? I had to realize that my light wasn't an accident. It was given to me on purpose. And every time I hide it, I wasn't protecting anyone. I was robbing myself. I was robbing the world of the fullness of me. If you ever felt guilty of being too much, too bright, hear me. You are not being too much. You are being just enough. Stop apologizing for taking up space and stop watering yourself into cups that were never meant to hold you. Your shine would not blind the right people. They will adjust their eyes. And the naysayers, let them squint. They'll eventually walk away. But don't you dare dim your light. So I'll ask you, have you felt guilty for being so bright?
Okay, what dog are you? Yeah, I like it. Yeah. What is that, German Shepherd?
ọ̀tẹ̀ ló ń jẹ́ ìlú ń pè ọ́ kò sẹ́ni tí ò lórúkọ tiẹ̀ àti wípé ọmọ kì í gọ̀ títí sẹ́ẹ̀ kó gbàgbé orúkọ ara rẹ̀. ààfin tèmi ò nílò ìdánimọ̀ lọ́jà tó bá dọ́jà báyìí wọ́n á mọ̀ bó dọ́jà ni. èmi tí ń tòótọ́ Samuel Owóyẹmí fẹ́lẹ́fẹ́lẹ́ láyé lórúkọ mi, fẹ́lẹ́ ní gbogbo èèyàn mọ̀ mí sí. èmi náà kọ́, Ọlọ́run ọba òkè ló fún mi ṣe ní gbogbo ìgbà.